This world tastes like dirt.
One of our times. A lost child oblivious to the never-ending sea of despair.
Sunny skies ahead for this little fella. Oh, gosh, you're cute.
Awkward?
Awkward. Chili dog! Everyone loves chili dogs!
I don't think he can eat solid food.
Well, then put it in the blender!
Well, if you say so.
The chili dog, not the baby!
Oh, please don't cook me, Knuckles.
Ooh, let me see.
Oh, wait, I can't read.
Let's act out my Sonic fan fiction. I'll pick something family-friendly. No, not that one. Oh, definitely not that one. Not that one. Oh, here we go.
I just hope the obese man who watches me sleep doesn't think I've been naughty. Otherwise, he might not sneak into my house and leave presents. Oh, look at me! I'm a ballerina! A ballerina! Spinning blades of death? Yeah, I guess that sounds safe. What? At the holiday where a giant rabbit breaks into your house and hides painted eggs?